the noise.
Right, come on.
Hey guys!
Go tell the guys who you are.
I am Irish train kid.
Tell the guys where we are.
We're at Dunmurry level crossing. This is Dunmurry level crossing lights. There is some.
Let's go right up to it.
There is some lights of Belfast that have these old fashioned lights. What's it gonna be?
Here it comes.
That's a broken test.
Right. Tell me if you can tell me what kind of train it is.
I'll tell the guys the number.
Tell the guys who you are again.
I'm Irish Train Kid. And I said this video is going to be called Irish Train Kid. Because we're in Northern Ireland, that's where we live. We get on a train sometimes.
Oh look, it's that one.
Oh, train guys!
It's the 8090. No, come on back. Stay here. And there we go.